Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Big event today. It's a massive day for me personally. I'll tell you more in a bit, so stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So what's happening today? Big event. Never thought I'd get to this point, but I have, and I'm really pleased. There's the chassis on its side, on the trestles, being held up by the block and tackle. And there's the body on its side. It's been, I've painted it underneath, so the rails are all good. And what's happening today is my mate's coming round in a short while, and he's going to help me lift the body shell out onto the drive. And then we're going to be putting the chassis onto some axle stands that are all nicely prepared with a bit of carpet, and the body is going back onto the chassis. So this is a big event. This is like a milestone turning point in the project, so I couldn't be happier. So that's the chassis all laid out now on the stands. Sorry about the light, the sun's flooding in, so have a minute and then we'll get the body on. That's it, it's on. So massive thanks to my friend Steve. He's always there to give me a hand. He's a very good friend and very reliable, so thank you, Steve, for that. So the body's on the chassis now, so have a little look round. I'm leaving all the towels on it because the body's going to come off the chassis when I do the when I spray the car, when I spray the body tub. But the overall plan now really is to get the suspension, finished powder coated suspension, get that all built back up, get the suspension towers on, and get it back into a rolling chassis. So that will free up quite a bit of space that I've got in my shed up the garden. Get it rolling so I can roll it in and out, roll it around, steering rack on, and all those sorts of things. Then I will be working on the bulkhead. So the steel works there on the bulkhead, and I've got to basically skin it in some steel, and then that will all be welded up and will stay there permanently. So I'll be then wanting to roll the chassis out, lift the body off, bring the body back into the workshop, and then I'll be able to spray the whole of the body tub. But that's a little while off yet, so got a bit more work to do. But that was today's big event. Also, I just want to say another, like a double celebration really. I've got over 100 subscribers now, so that's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So thank you so much to everybody that's subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate your support. It's great to have you on board with my journey, and I hope you enjoy, because there's a lot more to come. Believe me. Anyway, take care everybody, and thanks again for your support. Bye.